Most men train for years and lift the same weights. Same bench, same squat, same deadlift. Week after week, month after month. They call it dedication. It's not. It's stagnation. There are three things keeping you in the same place. The first is training by feel. You walk into the gym and pick a weight that feels right. Not based on last week, not based on a target, based on how you feel today. That's not training, that's guessing. The second is chasing soreness. You think a good workout means not walking properly tomorrow. Soreness is not progress. Soreness is damage. Real progress is measured in weight on the bar, not pain in your legs. The third is switching programs. Every 6 weeks, a new program, a new app, a new influencer, a new method. You never stayed long enough to see results, so you never saw results. These aren't training problems, they're system problems. And there's one principle that fixes all three. It's called progressive overload. It is the only training principle that guarantees strength. Everything else is optional. This is not. It means one thing: lift more, over time, systematically. Not randomly, systematically. It works in 3 steps. Step 1, track every lift. The weight, the sets, the reps. Every session. Not in your head, in an app, or on paper. If you don't track it, it didn't happen. Your memory is not a training log. Step 2, add 1 rep or 2.5 kilograms to your main lift every 4 weeks. Just 1. Not 10, not 5, 1. That is 13 upgrades in a single year on 1 lift, compounded. Step 3, deload before you plateau. Every 4 to 6 weeks, train at 60% capacity for 1 week. Not because you're weak, because you're smart. The body doesn't adapt during training, it adapts during recovery. Most men skip this. Most men plateau. That's not a coincidence. Here's what this looks like in practice. Real numbers, real progression. Week 1, you bench 60 kilograms for 3 sets of 8. Week 4, 62.5 kilograms. Same sets, same reps. Week 8, 65 kilograms. Week 12, 67.5 kilograms. That is 7.5 kilograms added in 12 weeks on 1 lift. That's 30 kilograms in a year on 1 lift. Now multiply that across your squat, your deadlift, your press. That's not a workout, that's a system. That's how strength compounds. That's how confidence compounds. That's what happens when you stop guessing and start following a structure. The men who make real progress don't train harder than you. They train smarter. They know exactly what they lifted last week. They know exactly what they need to lift this week. There's no guessing, no second guessing, no wasted sessions. Your workouts shouldn't break you down. They should build you up. Not just physically, in every way that matters. If you don't have a program built on progressive overload, if you're still walking into the gym and guessing, take the 60-second quiz in the description. It tells you exactly where your training system is breaking down and what to do about it. Stop guessing. Start progressing.